Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a page layout that I was able to complete yesterday, and I received this inspiration from I have this email. This is like back in the day, 2021, from the Paper Loft, and they were selling page kits, and this is the one I used for inspiration. I did use, you can see that. I did use the Photo Play paper pack, and I'm not sure what pictures I'm going to use, so that's why I have the blank 4 by, they're actually 4.5 by 6.5, because the picture will be, 4 by 6. So it'll leave a white border behind the picture. So once I figure out the pictures I use, I'll get some more embellishments and, a title and all of that. But I'm just here to share this page, 2-page spread that I did get completed. I'm also packing for Spellbinders. Oh, what fun! I'm going to the in-person, and so stay tuned for that video shortly. So hope you're having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here, and until my next video, shakas.